So today I tried using air fryer for my turkey wings and it was so delicious. So to make it, I've washed my turkey wings and added turmeric to it, and I'm going to add I added a lot of turmeric here. So I will add pepper to this. These are pepper chili flakes, and I'm going to add stock cube powder to this, and that is it. I will not add any other thing except my chief flakes, yes, dry chief and parsley. Then I will now turn them with my hands, and I'm going to cover it with film plastic, allow it to sit for 30 minutes in the fridge or on top anywhere. So I'm going to fry fish as well, and I just want to know how this air fryer will be. So I added only um black pepper to this, and I also add a little bit of stock cube powder as well, and then I'll rub everything together. This is an experiment. I just want to know, everyone has been using air fryer. This is my time to use my own air fryer because I don't know why everyone wants to use air fryer. I just wanted to know why, and I ended up finding out why. So this fish is marinated with turmeric and black pepper and chicken stock cube powder. I'll use my hands and now turn them and just marinate them, allowing them to stick inside. Now I am going to put every of the fish, all the turkey wings inside my air fryer rack. So I so much love this air fryer because you can wash it very well. It doesn't stick. So now I'm going to allow it to put in for it to cook, to fry inside without the oil or more. This thing is a very, very, very good something. You see how my chicken and how my turkey wings came out. It was so delicious. What of the fish? The fish is palm. I will never use another thing again. No. Although this air fryer is too small, but I don't think I'll use my oven. This is the fish I fried in my oven too. Bye.